Are you curious if staging will help sell your home more quickly? Here's some insight to help, and not all of it's going to cost an arm and a leg. Cleaning, decorating, and rearranging furniture in a way that showcases your home in the most appealing way possible sometimes involves a team of experts trained in interior design. Home Advisor reports that the average cost of staging a home is $1,700, but it has a 100 to 900% return on investment for the seller, making it one of the most cost-effective home selling tips a homeowner can implement. If you're selling your home, it's important to remember that staging is a process that requires both time and money. And while you may be able to complete some of this on your own, I suggest you're better off hiring an expert. Home staging reduces the time it takes for your home to sell by an average of 50 days, and the return on investment is larger than that of any other marketing expert efforts, like yard signs or even open houses. And as part of my services, I offer a variety of staging solutions to suit your situation. Let's talk and pick the best solution for you.